G'day everyone, I'm George and welcome back. Dahua Technology South Africa is excited to announce our national training taking place from April through to June across our key branches in KwaZulu-Natal, Western Cape and Johannesburg. This initiative forms part of Dahua's commitment to empowering our partners, installers and sales teams with the latest knowledge, technical skills and product expertise across our security and intelligent technology solutions. During these training sessions, attendees will receive structured training covering both foundational knowledge and advanced system capabilities across several Dahua technology platforms. The classroom training sessions will focus on the following core solution areas: advanced CCTV, Dahua intrusion alarm systems, access control, video intercom solutions, and Dahua DSS VMS. These sessions are designed to provide practical knowledge that installers, integrators, and sales professionals can immediately apply in the field. In addition to our in-person branch training, we will also host a series of live virtual online training sessions focusing on specific platforms and technologies. Our upcoming online virtual training schedules are Dahua Alarm Systems, Dueling Care Cloud Platform, DH Tools and System Design Utilities, Color 2.0, Solar 4G camera solutions, and the new EI2 series recorders. These virtual sessions are designed to help partners gain deeper technical understanding of Dahua's latest technologies, remote management platforms, and product innovations. All training sessions will be delivered by Dahua certified trainers, ensuring attendees receive accurate, practical, and up-to-date technical knowledge. Participants will also have the opportunity to improve their installation and configuration skills, learn about new Dahua technologies, best practice for system deployment and integration, and technical and sales knowledge. We encourage all installers, system integrators, distributors, and sales professionals to attend these sessions and take advantage of this opportunity to enhance their expertise. For registration and course access, please visit our Dahua training portal. We look forward to seeing you at our national training and continuing to build stronger technical knowledge across the Dahua partner community. Thank you and see you in the next one.